Hello, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI EVO R-Line Tech DSG. Finished in white and powered by a 1.5 litre petrol engine delivering 150 PS and paired with smooth automatic transmission, this Tiguan offers confident and family-ready driving experience just in time for summer holidays. Up front, the Tiguan wears its R-Line badge with pride, featuring bold grille flanked by striking LED headlights with dynamic light assist. And it sits on 20-inch alloy wheels. Their lightweight design improves handling response while keeping the ride planted and composed. From the back, the Tiguan keeps things clean and assertive. Tinted rear windows enhance privacy for passengers, while the rear roof spoiler and LED taillights complete the sporty design. Open the boot and you're greeted with highly practical load area, ideal for family life or spontaneous trips to the garden center. The 40-20-40 split folding rear seats and sliding rear bench mean you can reconfigure the space to suit just about anything. Climb into the rear seats and you'll find comfort-focused details like fold-out tray tables, rear air vents and ambient lighting. In the front, the R-Line Sport seats come with heating and lumbar adjustment, while the folding passenger backrest adds extra practicality. You'll enjoy leather multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifters for added control and premium tactile feel. Just behind it, customizable active info display replaces conventional dials with crisp digital cluster. On board, you will find freeze-zone electronic climate control system, ensuring each passenger, front and rear, can enjoy their ideal temperature. In the infotainment system, offers radio and media to seamlessly stream your favorite tunes or catch up on DAB radio with crystal clear playback, as well as phone and app connectivity for hands-free calling and app integration through CarNet and App Connect. Built-in sat-nav, as well as active info display with fully digital dashboard with range of custom views and performance monitor to let you know what your turbocharged 1.5 is really up to. You also have plenty of settings to personalize your drive and reversing camera with parking sensors, helping you park with more confidence. This has been presentation of Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI EVO R-Line Tech DSG. For more information, give us a call today.